We doing fireworks up in this piece, cuz. You missed the big ones. I could get it lighter if y'all want one. Kalani, there's a moth on you. Oh, I just smacked it like Galen. Alright, I'm gonna, if y'all can see my sisters over here. But
Remy, you could barely see your
yeah, you don't even see this one. So like,
I finished.
I'm sorry. Look at these.
My new channel name is Bullet Team 10.
Alright, go subscribe to Bullet Team
Bullet Team 10.
Bullet Team 10.
It has a plastic thing around it.
Oh, okay.
You don't see that. Wow, Mom.
Well, apparently she forgot to do something. So I'll pause it till there's good part.
Remy,
I think this is it.
melting. The plastic's melting.
Hope I don't get copyright.
I love this one.
Is it really just sit? It's a dime, bro! Alright, we're going inside to check the extra fireworks. And then my friend's gonna have to leave. Reese, it's between one of these, one of the. Ooh! What are those? These are the ones that go around in a circle. 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 This one is bigger, so we should do this one. Or we could do this one and one of those.
Let's save this for another day.
Yeah, that looks like it's good.
Yeah, I think it's
Alright.
like the thing.
We're doing
Let's do these.
that one and this one. Because that one's most likely going to be a dud like the other ones.
And let's do.
You pick their choice. Yeah. Alright, I'm getting my father. Yeah.
Really?
We are.
Those are the little pop ones. Where is he?
He's downstairs. Can we please do some? Shish. Look at all these little. You can't see them, but look, yeah. Look at all the
Can I
trash.
just borrow one fidget spinner?
Boy, not borrow.
No, like I did this one.
Kalani, you're on my video.
Those cars.
Philly cheesesteak.
Alright, everybody. It's about to do a backflip. Yeah. Hold on, let me back up. Bro, I said let me back up. Hey, that was lit, yeah.
Broken nothing.
I would do one, but I need a trampoline.
Yeah, he's learning how to do.
I know how to do one. I just gotta learn how to do one on land.
Yeah, and I'm his teacher. I'm filming, and they can't see you. All right, Philly cheesesteak. Philly cheesesteak. Hold on, look at how weird this looks in the camera. It looks so much lighter.
Yeah.
All right, this is my mom. She's doing some. Look at the cameraman. It's me. Haven't seen me before. They are? Yeah, we were screaming. Alright. Shoot. Alright, the fireworks. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, somebody. Somebody. Yeah. Those are fireworks. Okay, so this. Hold on, I gotta go somebody quick. Alright, this is gonna end my vlog here. Okay. This is gonna. Hold on. Alright, this is gonna end off my vlog. So sorry I haven't vlogged in a long time, but yeah, and I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging, but this is gonna end off my vlog, and bye.